This is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs. Hey, let's paint some monsters today. Boo-wah! Hey, Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs. Today, hot logo action. So we're doing a logo for a new haunted house in Pennsylvania, and we're gonna do two versions. One is death-shrouded reaper in a swamp, and the other one is going to be a clown ripping through there as well. So we're going to use the same canvas. Now we're going to leatherize the canvas. That is, we're going to be putting a huge profuse amount of block on it, roll it in, and get it to almost a vinyl surface so I can sit there and do the high detail like I like without pillowing. And then two, I'll be able to repaint over it to get it so I don't have to worry about problems with putting this second layer on for a different logo. So we're gonna be using Pasha airbrushes today, Dayglow UV paint, because they really want it to be bright. They want a lot of color, and I suggested sepia, and there's nope, we want some color, so that's the way we're gonna go. So hey, follow me, subscribe please, check me out on Instagram, check me out on Facebook. I'm not on Twitter, never can figure it out. And if you want to hit me up on Pinterest as well. Plus, there's some other YouTube channels in the description below to check out. Some great stuff. And I might even sit there and have some other videos in the description below as well. So, and also if you do want to support the channel, there's a PayPal link there too. And we have our Shopify account. Hit that up. We're starting to do tapestries. So if you want to sit there and have some of my artwork in your haunt or even in your bedroom, it's going to be there. Okay? Thanks a lot. Hey, let's get into this, and we're going to do the first one for this video and then do another video for the second one. Thanks for coming on board, people. God bless. We are beginning with a 5x8. I like to work large, and we are coating it with a pretty wet coat of black paint. And we're taking the roller and peeling it down, and then we're gonna go the opposite direction. And then one more coat will go on after this with some Floetrol, then we'll let it dry before we conquer.